Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are doing well. Today we will revise unit number 2, that is the transportation in humans and plants. As we know, the supply of food, water and oxygen is very necessary for our body cells, and removal of wastage is also very important. So both these purposes are performed by the process that is called transportation, and blood circulatory system works for this purpose. And this system is made up of heart, blood vessels and blood. Heart is a pumping organ that pumps blood into the blood vessels, in which blood flows and transport the materials. The major part of circulatory system is the heart, that is a muscular organ about the size of fist and located in the chest of the body. Its purpose is to pump oxygenated blood to the body parts and deoxygenated blood to the lungs. There are 4 chambers or parts of the heart: 2 upper chambers called atria and the lower one called ventricles, and which are a little bigger than the atria. Both atria and ventricles contract simultaneously, and blood passes from atria into the ventricle. There is a valve between the atria and ventricle that prevent the backflow of the blood. Here in figure 2.1 you can see the internal structure of human heart. The right side, that is shaded blue, shows the deoxygenated blood, while the left side of the heart, that is shaded red, has oxygenated blood. Right atria receive deoxygenated blood, and then it transferred to the right ventricle, from where it is transferred or pushed to the lungs for getting oxygenated, while oxygenated blood is received by the left atria, then it is transferred to the left ventricle, and then it is transported to the all body parts where oxygenated blood is needed. Human heart acts as a double pump. Blood is received by lungs and body parts into the atria, and atria contract the same time to transfer blood to the ventricle. This is the first pump. Now both ventricles contract at the same time and pump blood to the lungs and the other body part, and this one is the second pump. A heartbeat about 70 times in a minute, and we can feel it by placing the thumb or fingers on the underside of the wrist.